Hi there, here we have the 2008 Peugeot 308. This is the 1.6S 5-door manual. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So as you can see there from the front bumper, there is no scuffs, no scratches. Moving on to the bonnet, very nice and clean. There is no dents, no scratches on the bonnet, so nothing untoward onto the front end of the vehicle. Just to confirm, it is one previous owner from new. We've got so much service history of what we've done to the car as well, so we've been looking after the car for many years, so great service history. We've also done a full service on the car, so Rushmores have done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. And as you can see there, the back bumper also nice and clean. There is no scuffs, no scratches. Tailgate is also nice and clean. There is no dents, so nothing untoward onto the bodywork. The car is offered in excellent condition and will not disappoint on viewing. RAC warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the car. You do also have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, so this is something we highly recommend. It is also a nice peace of mind for yourself as well. HPI clear, so we've done a full check over on the vehicle, made sure that it hasn't been any accidents, or to make sure that the mileage is all correct. So it is all clear, no accidents. Right, let's have a look at the interior as well. So front passenger door, as you can see there, nice and clean. There is no marks on the door there. It does also have the electric window. Dash is also nice and clean. There is no marks there on the dash. Radio, steering wheel nice and fresh as well as the seats. So we've done a full valet on the vehicle as well, so fully valeted by us. As you can see, it does have the ISOFIX on the front passenger seat as well. Right, so back door, as you can see there as well, nice and clean. No tears on the back seats as well, and as you can see, they're offered in excellent condition. It does also have the ISOFIX for the rear seat, so a nice safety point there for the children. Let's have a look at the boot space as well. So being the 308, it does also have a very nice boot space. There we go. So it does have a great boot space. Right, let's have a look at the back seats once more. So as you can see there, they are nice and clean. Fully valeted by us, as I mentioned earlier. It is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odors inside the vehicle, and as you can see, it does have the ISOFIX as well. Right, so driver's side door, as you can see there, it does have the electric front windows and electric door mirrors, so they can be adjusted all electrically. Let's have a look here. So steering wheel, as you can see, in perfect condition. It does also have the side buttons there, so for your radio, if you want to turn and off and on the music and the volume. Your radio here with your source. It does also have the CD player, and which will be showing all on there as well, so what radio station you are on, etc. Aircon as well, so it does also have the aircon. Your lights are also there, as well as the indicators. So it does have the cigarette lighter. Well, this is where the 12 volts also is as well. So very nice and clean inside. What I'll do is let's quickly start the vehicle as well. Okay, and there is the screen I was talking about. So it does tell you what radio station you are on, and it also gives you the source. So if you wanted to play it by a CD player or wherever it is you wanted to do, then it definitely can be done. Right, so just to recap before we finish off the video, as you saw there, the car is offered in excellent condition inside and out. Great service history on the car, and it is only one previous owner from new. We've done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the RAC warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, as I mentioned earlier, so that's all included within the price of the car, and you do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. If there is any further questions, or you need finance arranging, or you want to book in a viewing, then no problem at all. Please give us a call or email us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Okay, thanks for watching.